In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files and folders in Microsoft OneDrive. We've all been there, accidentally deleting an important file or folder, and that sinking feeling of thinking it might be gone for good. Thankfully, OneDrive provides an easy way to recover these items, but it needs your prompt attention. Let me guide you through the entire process to get those files back where they belong. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your credentials and hit that sign in button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well. Logging in is essential because all our actions will take place within your OneDrive interface. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate and click on the apps launcher. You'll find this icon, resembling a grid, in the top left corner of your dashboard. It's essentially a gateway to all the Microsoft services at your disposal. From the array of applications that appear, look for the OneDrive icon and click on it. This will redirect you to your OneDrive storage space, where all your cloud-saved files and folders reside. Now that you're in OneDrive, focus your attention on the left-hand panel and find the option labelled Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click on it. The Recycle Bin is where OneDrive temporarily stores your deleted files and folders. It's a bit like a safety net, ensuring that your files are not immediately lost forever once deleted. In the Recycle Bin, browse through the list of deleted items to find the files or folders you wish to restore. If you're dealing with a large number of items, you might find it useful to utilize the search bar at the top to quickly locate what you're looking for. Click on the checkbox next to the item names to select them for recovery. With your items selected, turn your attention to the top menu and click on the Restore option. This simple step will trigger OneDrive to move the selected items back to their original locations in your storage. It's like retracing your steps back to before you hit the delete button. Remember, the key here is timeliness. Deleted files and folders are stored in the OneDrive Recycle Bin temporarily, giving you a window of opportunity to recover them before they are automatically purged. On another note, if you permanently delete files from the Recycle Bin, sadly, those cannot be recovered. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to click subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Take care.